This is the way that Alex is living, or is claiming to be living right now. What we're seeing is really no signs of any habitation here. You can see that the stove has been unplugged. While there is still a refrigerator, there's the plug for the stove. There's no place to actually sleep. And here's the bedroom. The beds have been removed. And this is pretty much the way that he lived. There's no food in the refrigerator, which would indicate that it's not being habited. There is one heater in here, that's good. But going into this bedroom, again, there's no bedding, no furniture. The only furniture left is a desk and a chair. I'll finish up the living room area. But ordinarily, I would consider a place like this to be abandoned. Now look at that couch. Nobody's been sitting on that for a really long time. The only thing of value would be the clock, grandfather clock, and that's about it. To summarize, this is the way the man lived. That's his backyard, which he claims exclusive use of. We'll move into another area filled with trash, so on. The other area, or areas that he has been living in. By the way, that was there 3 years ago, and he never fixed it. And if he was really a property manager, he would have.
Anybody home?
Going into the area that Dan was living in. I don't believe that light was broken before. That's new damage. So this is the area that Dan was using. And again, it does not appear to be habitable at all. Nobody's living in here. It's just a pretext to harass Josh. Real people don't live like this. Real people don't chew on bedsteads, don't allow trash to accumulate everywhere. Real people have respect for other people's property. They don't use a wall as a dartboard. Real people don't live like this. This is a sign of abandoned property by low-class people. But real people don't shoot bullets through windows. They don't use knives to stab doors. They don't let animals like gerbils run around unimpeded. This is all wood chips. Please notice that the lights have been left on for no apparent reason. All the cabinets, with the exception of one, which will give you an idea of the quality of the cabinets, they were reasonable cabinets, but they would have been behind all through this area here. My recollection is it was a full set of cabinets, wasn't it, Josh?
Yep. Everywhere you see brown.
And we have the destruction of a painting down here. Actually, a few paintings here, which would have been part of Dan's estate.
There's another cabinet
And pardon me, we have one more cabinet right here. But these are all wood chips from animals. Actually, he had more than one bathroom to operate out of. He actually had this one and the other one, so that was another lie. All right.